Well, I mean, I definitely can see how these independent players having access to this wealth of technical support and services support, how that can actually be very, very valuable to them as they try to bring competitive solutions to the marketplace. But tell me a little bit more about what's happening in the broader insurance marketplace for these guys. I mean, it seems like it's quite a competitive landscape. It also seems like it's quite a dynamic landscape.
Bant, you might be the only person to have ever described the insurance industry as dynamic, but it is traditionally, let's all acknowledge, a slow-moving place.
Yeah.
But you're actually not wrong. Certainly within the last 5, 7 years ish, the explosion of what is called the insurtech ecosystem has changed the landscape of the industry to some degree. I view all of that as a real blessing for the industry. You have tons of capital coming into the industry. You have tons of talent, Silicon Valley veterans that now set their sights on the insurance industry. And it has, if it's not transforming the industry fully, which it has an impact, but we could argue about the degree to which that impact has been felt. It certainly has pushed the boundaries of what is going on. When a claim is paid within seconds, which perhaps is what driverless cars may one day allow, right? If all the data is being gathered, the turnaround time could be very fast. You can bet that every insurance company is thinking about how can I pay claims faster and do this more efficiently, right? And so I think it's also a time when, like it or not, insurance products are complicated and they can be confusing to buy. They can be hard to understand. And the technology around them only in the last several years got to a point where it can really begin to tackle that complexity, the complexity of workflow, the dynamics of the industry. And I think we're now at a place where we are seeing those things kind of change.